Hello everyone, I promised to make a short video about how I use Midjourney, and today it's a special day, like every day is special, but if you look at World Days, you can make some very viral tweets from it. So like today I'm going to Perplexity. First of all, I asked all the special days of the year. Turns out that today it's International Day for Biological Diversity Day. So what I do is I say to Perplexity, write a viral tweet about International Day for Biological Diversity, including hashtags. Now let's see what it gives me. As you can see, it's a quite good tweet. I made a different one before this, but it's a very short prompt, but you can use it, and he's writing also the specific hashtags for this tweet. I already made it, but what I did is I looked for a special picture for this. So I looked with, of course, the name of it, International Day for Biological Diversity. I looked it up in Google, so I went to Google. Just a sec. And I watched one of these images. So of course, you cannot use these images because they're of course protected, copyrighted, and you don't want to have a lawsuit using this kind of images. So I just took an image, took out the text, and I went again to Perplexity. And what I do, I show you, this is a nice trick you can use for Midjourney. I do new thread, and I write, please describe this image as detailed as possible in English. I write it, the last sentence, I write it in English because my Perplexity is set up in Dutch. So I'm Dutch, half Italian. So please describe this image as detailed as possible in English. So I need, of course, to attach the image. And this is the one I'm attaching. Yeah? So here we go. Of course, it's coming up with a quite long description because I said, please do it as detailed as possible, but it's incredible what results you're getting. So if I'm asking to follow up this question, I write, please write a Midjourney prompt for the text above. So please write a Midjourney prompt for the text above. I don't ask it the aspect ratio because we can do that manually. So please write a Midjourney prompt for the text above. Well, let's see what it comes with. So because the text is way too long for Midjourney, you can try it anyway, but here is giving me a great place to start with. You see here. A transparent glass globe containing miniature tree growing from soil inside, blah, 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 blah. I copy this. Then I go to Midjourney, the web version. I tell you why I go to the web version. Because I want to show you a nice where are we? Here we are. So I do the prompt, imagine. Prompt. So my prompt is already on default with an aspect ratio of 16:9 because I use it for websites. But you can change the aspect ratio here at the end, but it's already done. I do it anyway, so you can see how you do that. Aspect ratio 16:9. So let's see what image is making of this prompt I asked Midjourney based on that image I found on Google. And as we watch this unfold, you see here a very nice Chrome extension that I use. It's called Prompt a Lot, which can do a lot for Midjourney. It only works with Midjourney web version, so not on Discord itself, but on Discord web version. As you can see, it's almost identical to the image that we found on Google. It's giving incredibly good description, and Perplexity is doing that very, very well. If I might tell, I like this one. Yeah. So what I do, of course, I do upscale the first image. And normally you have to go to the web and then click on download, etc., etc. Here you don't need to do that. There are a lot of functions on this extension, and really encourage you to use it because it's really time effective if you're using it. I use most of the time this one. Just download your image. So world diversity day 24. So now I have the image already there. I go to my tweet. I go here to this viral tweet here. I like this one. Go to the tweet and I write it. And I also put hashtag Midjourney. Midjourney V6. Okay, and then I put the image that I made. So it's this one. Now how about this? So with just a few clicks, I made a viral tweet in Perplexity. Today it's the day of biological diversity, so it's very trending. These are the hashtags that are used with it, so you can imagine what happens. A lot of people are looking to this tweet. I have an image. I made it based on the image I showed in Perplexity. I asked it in Perplexity to give a detailed detailed instruction, description, for that image. And then, based on that description, I asked Perplexity to make a prompt for me in Midjourney. And that's what I did. So I have the tweet, I have the image, I have the right hashtags. I only have to do is to post it. So this is a very short video on how to use Perplexity to make a viral tweet. I know Jack has a lot of agents that can help you also, but this is just a very shortcut to do it in this way, and also how to make an image based on an image you found on any source you have. I look at Google, but you have many images you see online. Take that image, run it through Perplexity, ask to give a detailed instruction or description, and then from that on, ask it to make a Midjourney prompt. And then in Midjourney itself, you can put that prompt there and download it with Prompt-A-Lot in an easy way, as I show you. I hope that was something you can learn from. It's a very short video, but thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.